Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. I've got some eggs with me in the kitchen and it got me thinking, why not try making something different? So how about we bring turkey in the kitchen? No, not this guy. I'm talking about the country rich in Turkish delicacies. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Turkish eggs, traditionally called çılbır. A delicious recipe straight from the heart of Turkey, where eggs are served with yogurt flavored with garlic and chili oil. So let's get started. Let's prepare the yogurt base. I'm taking 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Whisk the yogurt thoroughly to ensure there are no lumps. It's best to use thick yogurt for this recipe. Next, I'm going to take a clove of garlic and finely grate it into the yogurt. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Mix everything till all the ingredients are well combined. Keep it aside. Let's move on to making the chili oil. Take a pan and add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use butter as well. Add half teaspoon of red chili flakes. And 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook for a minute or two, swirling the pan occasionally till you see the chili foaming in the oil. Remove from heat. Don't be tempted to overcook or the chili will get burned and leave a bitter taste. Transfer the chili oil into a bowl and allow to cool. Check out that stunning red hue in the oil. Add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of this chili oil into the yogurt that we had prepared and mix well and keep it aside. This is an optional step, but I recommend you do it this way because it really brings out the flavor in this dish. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 green chili finely chopped. Give a quick stir. The idea is not to soften the chili, but to just give the chilies a vibrant green. To the green chilies, I'm going to add coriander leaves, about 2 to 3 tablespoons finely chopped. Give it a quick stir and cook for a few seconds, just enough to soften the leaves and flavor the oil. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl and allow to cool. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the mixture. Finally, let's move on to making the eggs. While the traditional method calls for poaching the eggs, I personally prefer frying them. Whichever way you choose to cook the eggs, rest assured the dish will be equally delicious. There is no compromise on taste here. I'm going to crack open 2 eggs into the pan. Place a lid on and continue cooking till the eggs are fully done. The eggs are cooked and it's time to bring everything together on a plate. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of garlic and chili flavored yogurt that we had prepared and give it an artistic swirl around the plate. Add the chili oil over the yogurt. You can add the chili oil according to your taste. Next, add the coriander leaves and green chili infused oil over the yogurt. Place the eggs on top of the yogurt and sprinkle a bit of salt just to season the eggs. Give it a final finish with a dash of chili oil on top, followed by some more of the coriander leaves and green chili infused oil. There's no right or wrong way to go about this. Simply unleash your inner artist and have fun creating your own unique signature dish. And there you are, everything is prepared and ready to be savored. The golden hued eggs paired with this uniquely delicious flavored yogurt creates a symphony of taste that's simply irresistible. You can have this for breakfast, brunch. This is a perfect dish to have any time of the day. Serve with toasted bread or Arabic bread to mop up all the flavors from the plate. This dish is a culinary journey that delights the senses. Every bite is a delightful explosion of flavors that elevates your culinary experience. Stay tuned for more recipes coming your way. In the meantime, take care and enjoy cooking. Bye for now.